Still applying to dozens of project management roles and hearing nothing? Let's fix the resume that's getting you ghosted. If you've been applying to project management jobs and your inbox is still empty, this video is for you. Because let's be real, most project management resumes out there, they're just okay, they're safe, they're generic, they list responsibilities instead of results. And guess what? That's not enough in today's market. Today, I'm breaking down 5 simple but powerful tips to transform your project management resume into results-focused interview magnet document. Whether you are already in a project role, pivoting from another field, or trying to break into after weeks or months of being ghosted, this is going to give you the edge you need. If you can stick to the end, I will give you a bonus tip. Let's get into it. Step 1. Replace work experience with work accomplishments. First thing first, you need to ditch the job duties. Your resume isn't a job description, it's a sales pitch. Recruiters already know what a project manager or scrum master does. What they don't know is what you actually delivered. Here's the shift. Instead of saying responsible for managing timelines and coordinating stakeholders, try something like deliver 8 cross-functional projects on time and under budget by streamlining stakeholder communication and using agile sprints. See the difference? One says, here's what I was told to do, and the other says, here's what I got done. Step 2. Quantify your accomplishments. Next, put numbers on everything. Quantifying your results instantly increases credibility. It takes a soft skill and makes it a hard result. Start by asking yourself, how many team members did you manage? How much budget did you oversee? What percentage of time did you save? How much money did your process improvements save the company? For example, that a 200,000 software implementation that improved process efficiency by 32%. Now, we're not just talking about what you did, we're showing the impact. That's what recruiters and hiring managers want to see. Recruiters from Google actually recommend the XYZ formula that perfectly executes step 1 and 2. This formula is expressed as accomplish X as measured by Y by doing Z. It covers what achievements you have accomplished, how those achievements were measured, and how you achieved them. An example would be increase 149% revenue from performance fees by delivering a project to adopt a new fee structure for the private equity fund. Step 3. Remove irrelevant content. Alright, time to be ruthless. Cut the fluff. If something doesn't directly relate to the job you're targeting, it probably doesn't need to be there. Let me put this clearly. No one cares that you are a bookkeeper unless you're applying for a PM role in finance and that job taught you something you're actually using today. Focus on transferable skills and relevant experiences. This also includes removing vague skills like team player, hard worker, detail-oriented, quick learner. Instead, show those qualities through your achievements. Let your bullet points do the talking. Remember, every inch of that resume is prime real estate. Use it wisely. Step 4. Add a compelling profile summary. This is where you'll grab attention fast. Your profile summary, sometimes called a professional summary or career snapshot, is the first thing people see, so you better make it count. In 3 to 5 sentences, you will highlight your biggest strengths, speak directly to what the employee is looking for, show some personality. Yes, you can do that. Here's a basic structure. Results-driven project manager with 5+ years leading cross-functional teams and delivering complex software projects. Known for driving process improvements, reducing delivery timelines, and aligning stakeholders around clear goals. Passionate about turning big ideas into executed outcomes. That's 3 sentences. Tight, clear, effective. Step 5. Tailor a resume for each job by changing these 3 areas. Yes, tailoring a resume takes a little bit more effort, but the ROI? Massive. Generic resumes get generic results. Tailor resumes get interviews. Here's how to tailor fast by changing just 3 key areas. Number 1. Use 2 to 3 adjectives from the job description in your profile summary. Scan the job post. Are they looking for someone strategic and collaborative? Use their words, strategically and honestly, in the first sentence in your summary. Using this sample from step 4, instead of saying results-driven, you can say strategic and collaborative project manager with 5+ years leading cross-functional teams and delivering complex software projects. Boom, you're speaking their language. Number 2, connect the company or team's goals in your profile summary. If the company says they're scaling fast, launching new platforms, or focus on digital transformation, mirror that in your summary. Example, excited to contribute to fast-scaling teams, focus on digital transformation. Excited to contribute to fast-scaling teams, focus on digital innovation and customer-first project delivery. Even a small tweak shows you're not sending out a copy-paste resume. Number 3, adjust keywords throughout the resume. Every job post has keyword clues. Stakeholder engagement, risk management, Scrum, Gantt charts. If they're in the job post and you've done them, make sure they appear in your resume. This not only speaks to the human reviewer, but helps you get past those annoying ATS bots. Bonus, highlight section, list matching qualifications. I'm glad that you are still here at this point of this video, because it probably means you'll find it helpful. As promised, I will share a bonus tip with you. You can really make your resume pop with a key highlights or core qualifications section near the top. This is a great place to bullet out 4 to 6 qualifications or wins that directly relate to the job. Think of this as a greatest hits preview of why you're a perfect fit. Example, PMP certified with experience managing over $1 million budgets. Deliver 15 plus agile projects across software and marketing. Expertise in Jira, Smartsheet, and stakeholder alignment. Reduce project turnaround times by 28% through streamlined planning. Put this right after a profile summary. It's fast, scannable, and powerful. So let's recap. If your resume isn't getting interviews, don't assume the market is the problem. It could be the message you are sending. To transform your resume, you should replace job duties with accomplishments, quantify the impact, cut irrelevant fluff, add a compelling profile summary, tailor it to each job with 3 simple tips. You can also use that highlight section to instantly connect the dots. Remember, your resume doesn't just tell your story, it sells it. It shows decision makers why you are the candidate worth interviewing. Now, if you want to take action right now, I put together a free project management resume transformation cheat sheet that walks you through all 5 steps from today's video. It even includes real examples, word-to-word profile summaries, and a checklist that you can use to upgrade your resume in under 60 minutes. Just click the link in the description to grab your copy. It's totally free. Thanks for watching, and please let me know if you have any further questions. I will see you in the next video.